Hi guys, it's me, Sonic Plays, and I'm not good at animating, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download Maya 3D for users. For Android users. So, if you want to know how to download this, let me know if it works for you guys in the comment section down below. So yeah, guys. So first of all you need to go is go to your Play Store and and you need to type in IM3D, and then I will show you some stuff that you don't really know about. This one is a very proper one, and also this one too. And also, if you want to know how to do it, you need to click on Maya for 3D animation, and I'll also like these road for you guys, for users. Is a 3D computer graphics, but it runs on your Windows, blah 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 blah. But this is just included video games, animated film, TV series, or visual effects. Well, anyways, you can actually make it here in your Android. So let's get this thing started. Well, all you need to do is you wanna click install, and it reaches to 2 and 100, and it takes a long time to finish to install, and then I'll show you open. Then, guys, if you do that, you will not want to click on open. Right? Allow. And also, this is a fake app. Wow, guys. Just ignore that. Today, I'm showing us how to install PRISMA3D. It's a very good game. It's a very good program animator. So today, I'm showing us how to download it. So ignore the AI Maya 3D animation. Today, I'm showing us how. So first of all, you want to go to your Play Store, which is I am already in, which is I just logged into, and you want to click on PRISMA3D modeling animation rendering. You wanna click on this because they're pretty. You can make your own models. I can make my own models too. So yeah, looking forward. All you need to go, guys, is click install. And also, guys, you need to install stuff. The frick? Are you serious? Let me just get this right. Let me just get this right. So guys, in the comment section, if shall I download Pocket MQ for you. It's actually MMD if you don't know it. But let's just ignore that for now. Let's carry on, I guess. Yeah. So let's go first to our Play Store, which is how I was adding. I'm getting sick of this now. Right. Now it should download now. Yeah. It's a very fast download, so it's very good for you. Well, anyways, it's a tool thing where you can animate. Well, I'm gonna be showcasing it. Oh, and how it looks like. So better watch out, bros. But anyways, you can actually enjoy if you want. So let's click on open. Open. Just click allow. And it'll allow you to use. So this was made in Unity, which you can say is a very good one. we can import models, which is we can add textures if we wanted, but we can find the model. Well, anyways, the model's not here, but we can make our own model. So let's go and click import new project, and here is where we get things get creepy. No, anyways, good. All you need to do is you can create a cameras better be here. See? That's it. Now let's go to the surf. You need to click on it, and we can make some kind of fake. So you can make models, which is good. I'm gonna make a bendy model, which is good. Whoops, let's get that right. Right now, I'm making a bendy model type. This is gonna be cool. Watch, guys. Oops. Right, I think this is kind of silly. Can't really make a bendy model, which I'm trying my best at. Wait, just give me a sec here. Upload here. This might take an hour. Oh yeah. I'm making this. I'm trying my hardest not to go offline. Yeah. I think that's a good. Yeah. Don't think this is a good one. It is. This is just a basic thing on how you model here. Right now here I'm making stuff random. And also guys, you can import textures too. Yeah? Yeah?